Hey everyone, it's Tom here from Ludicrous Feed. Thank you so much for joining us. In this video, I'm going to walk through a new feature specifically for Tesla Powerwall owners that can be found in the Tesla app. I'm running Apple iOS, so this information is specific for iOS users. In the App Store, make sure you download the latest version of the Tesla app. It's going to be at least version 4.40. And once you do that, open the Tesla app, and under the Powerwall section, you will see this gold bar here called 2024 Recharged. Now my bar is down the bottom here because I've already had a look at it, but when you first open the app, it'll be sitting right here between the house and the energy tab. So let's go through right now. What is 2024 Recharged? So it's essentially like a wrap up or a summary of your year with the Tesla Powerwall. Okay, so let's look through my 2024 Recharged, my electrifying year with Powerwall. Nice graphics. 2024 was my 8th electrifying year with Powerwall. Wow, 8 years. Bit of music. I didn't have to pay $2,178 on my utility bill this year. October was my highest generation month. Missing message ID, so a few bugs there. $259 during January. Maybe that was my highest, or maybe highest saving. 4.1 megawatt hours of energy have been stored in your Powerwall this year. You could have backed up your home for 86 days straight with that much energy. Good to know. And you can share any of these slides, by the way, with this button here. Throughout the year, your home loads usually peaked at 19, maybe that means 7 o'clock. Your highest usage day this year was August the 2nd. Okay, that's good to know. Next slide says you charged stress-free at home 174 days this year. Of the days you charged at home, 162 of them used solar. Top 18% of all owners. I like the ranking. And you can always go back and forth between the slides like that as well. Next one. In 2024, you avoided using any energy from the grid for a total of 3,264 hours. You avoided using the grid for 355.5 hours during peak pricing this year. That's a relevant stat. Top 28% of all owners. Woohoo! What else? You generated 9.9 megawatt hours of solar energy this year. Top 33 of all owners. Hey, not bad. And what's this one? It says, this year, your home was 100% powered by the sun for 2,607 hours. Top 35% of all owners. Again, not bad. Happy with that. Calculating your energy archetype. What am I? Total vehicle solar charging this year, 162 days. So that makes me a Sun Cruiser. Hey, look at that. Got a golden wall connector for my efforts. Your vehicle solar charging were in the top 18% of Tesla energy owners. That's good to know. Fantastic. And there's my stats right there. Sun Cruiser. Vehicles are in the top 18% of solar charging this year. 45% self-powered. Energy value $2,178. I wonder if that's US or Aussie dollars. Solar generated 9.9 megawatt hours and solar offset 61%. Hey. And you can always share your summary as well, which is great. And you can replay the whole thing as well. So there you go, that is a summary of my year with the Powerwall. Nice little graphic there, which you can share with others too. So thanks Tesla for designing this for us Powerwall owners to have a nice recap of the year. And also want to shout out to the Tesla marketing team for including me in the early access as well for this video. And also there are 8 different archetypes too. So you can be a solar punk if you're a high solar energy generator. Sun Cruiser, which is what I was, I charged on solar. Exporter, high energy exports to the grid. Guardian, Powerwall protected you from many outages. Super Saver, significant savers this year. Team Player, top contributor to virtual power plants. Night Owl, frequently self-powered overnight. And Trickster, performed a lot of manual go off-grid events. Cool. So they are the 8 archetypes which Tesla can label you as. So leave a comment below, which archetype are you after having seen your 2024 Recharged from the Tesla app if you're a Powerwall user. Alright, well that's me, Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, happy charging.